Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, we are going to make a strengthening hair mist. So we are going to start with some clove water. That is actually 42.65 grams. So clove contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add growth and strengthen hair, protect the scalp from dandruff, which is a major cause of thin hair. Clove also contains anti-inflammatory agents which further help with thickened hair. We are also going to 2.5 sorbitol. So sorbitol helps to condition hair, making it soft, smooth, and tangle-free. It will act as a plasticizer in hair care. Actually, it acts as a plasticizer in hair care products, thereby adding elasticity to the hair and increasing its tensile strength and prevent your hair from drying out. So 2.5 grams of our sorbitol. Then another ingredient is hydrolyzed keratin, 1.5 grams. So when you use hydrolyzed keratin on your hair, it actually fills the minor gaps throughout the hair shafts, including its three layer, the medulla, cortex, and cuticle. So when the broken down protein fills these gaps, it gets the strength to minimize damage from chemicals, heat, styling, mechanical manipulation, and it will also reduce frizzy hair. It will prevent shady hair and breakage, and it also increases the smoothness and elasticity with its moisture binding ability. It also helps reduce the hair natural protective layer from the inside by increasing the damage of each strand. So this gives fuller appearance and replenishes lost protein, and it will actually make your hair manageable and increases the strength and restore luster. So we are going to mix, and then after mixing, that is how it looks like. So now we are coming to our xanthan gum, 0.85 of our xanthan gum. So xanthan gum will actually act as a viscosity modifier, producing thick and creamy product. And it will also act as emulsifier and a binder, and it will also help to stabilize our final product. So make sure that you hydrate your xanthan gum with some glycerin. So 2.5 glycerin. So glycerin actually is a powerful humectant. It is an excellent humectant that helps to strengthen your hair and boost moisture. So make sure that you mix until it is well homogenized. You'll find that the consistent will be very smooth. So if you are new on my channel and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. And if you're enjoying this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share this video to friends and social media where you think they can benefit. So at this point, our gum is hydrated. That is how it looks like. It doesn't have any lump in it. As you can see, it is so smooth. So actually, this is a strengthening mist, like I mentioned. So at this point, we are going to test for pH. So what we are going for, we want a 5.5 or 5, which is actually recommended. So I'm going to put my tester into the product like so, and then we are going to measure. This is a very important step. So at this point we are measuring, so it's actually between 5.5, which is very much okay. So our water, fats, and the protein are okay at this point. So now we are going to preserve it. So this will actually prevent, microbials crawling in your final product. So we are going to use sodium metabosulfate. So this is actually an antioxidant based preservative. So we are going to use 0.5 grams like so. So this is actually a 50-gram batch. So we stir it until it is dissolved. Then once it is dissolved, we'll have to measure the pH. This is very, very important. So give this video a like, friends, and subscribe to our channel, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload, you'll be notified. So friends, like this strengthening hair mist really did work wonders to my hair. Like my hair was so soft and strengthened. Yes, so that is how it looks like at this point. So we are going to measure for pH again. So it was actually 5.5, which is very okay. So after measuring, we are now going to add our xanthan gum. So your xanthan gum should be hydrated like I mentioned earlier on. So actually that is 5.5, between 5 and 5.5. You have to be very precise with this. So at this point, we are going to add our hydrated xanthan gum. So actually, I tried to put the xanthan gum, but it wasn't coming out, as you can see. So I had to scoop it using a spatula and then add it in there. So actually, like when you use a spatula or a whisker, you discover that the gum will just be like going in all places, but it won't be homogenized. So at this point, you have to make sure that you use a handheld blender or whatever gadget which is more powerful. So actually, I blended it for at least 5 minutes, and that is how our final product looks like. So at this point, I'm not going to use any colorant. I just want to have that very colorant. So I've gotten my 50 mils bottle hair mist. So a hair mist is very, very convenient because this is a strengthening hair mist, but you also discover that it's more like on a lotion side. Yes, so that is how our final product looks like. Subscribe, friends, and give this video a like. So at this point, we are excited and we are going to use it in our hair. So I'm just showing you, like, look at that. It's sprayed. That is awesome. So now at this point, I'm going to use it in my hair. So continue watching, friends. So our hair mist is ready. Actually, it's more like a lotion, friends. So you can actually play around. You reduce the xanthan gum. Yes, so it's more like a lotion. So you discover that maybe at some point it will stop spraying. So it's more like a lotion, like so. So I've just removed the braids that I had. Actually, I'm in a hair challenge for 6 months. We are trying to grow out our natural hair. So I've already moisturized these two, and I'm going to seal in the moisture with olive oil. So you can use any oil that you have. So continue working in sections so that every hair strand will be covered with the mist. So this is a strengthening mist, friends, that will really work wonders for hair, especially if you have damaged hair or you've been using heat frequently in your hair or color in your hair. It will actually work a great deal, friends. Yes, so my hair was so moisturized and strengthened. Like, it's been long ever since I used protein in my hair. I think it's been 4 months. So I decided, like, let me make a strengthening hair mist with some protein. Yeah, so I don't use proteins like avocado, eggs, because those have got bigger particles, they can't penetrate the hair. So I go for hydrolyzed protein, like hydrolyzed keratin protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein. I'm yet to try jojoba hydrolyzed protein, quite a number of hydrolyzed protein. So like it's more like a lotion, and it's so soft and light so that it won't clog your pores. It's so nice. So next time, I'm sure I'm going to try out and play around with some cetyl alcohol or emulsifying wax to see how it will come out. So make sure that you come back to this channel because I upload videos every day on Christ-like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin, how to take care of your natural hair, quite a number of good content. So I just started like to be pouring it in my palms, like so, like it's so light. So like you can use this strengthening hair mist once per week, or because this has some protein, but it's not loaded, because I just use 1.5 grams of our protein. So but you don't have to overdo it, friends. Only use it when necessary, when your hair is damaged or you want to strengthen your hair. Suppose in that way it can work very well. So once I'm done with moisturizing any section, I braid it so that we are not disturbed. You can even use some clippers just to help you to moisturize each section of your hair. So comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you. So like I'm telling you, friends, actually this video was done yesterday. I filmed this video yesterday. So my hair was so strengthened and moisturized. Like I am so happy because it's strengthened. We are preventing damage, and this strengthening mist actually it's loaded with moisture. Moisture plus protein, really works wonders for your hair. So comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, friends, do subscribe and leave a comment. I'll really appreciate, that will make me happy. Yes, so we are almost done at this point. So we are done. I'm so happy. Our hair is so strengthened and moisturized, because this strengthening mask works instantly. One application, you notice some change. So I'm doing my hair, and my hair felt so moisturized, friends, like never before. I'm telling you, look at that. I wish you could touch my hair and feel how it is well moisturized. But from the look, you can tell that our hair is so moisturized. So at this point, once I'm done, I'll proceed to put my hair in a protective hairstyle. Yes, friends. So if you're going to try out this strengthening mist, comment in the section below if you're going to try it out. So we just use minimum. Bye bye and God bless you.